Hello, welcome everyone. How is it going? This is Marketing with Mallord. Today, today, if you want to learn graphic design, we have a lot of tools like Canva, Photoshop, and others. But there is this new Google tool that I want to introduce to you, which is called Google Pics. I want to introduce you to it so that you can use it for all your graphic design works. So before you get access to it, come to your Google Drive, create a new, then come to Google Pics, then click, click on create and share. Okay, so this is the interface of the image editor or your graphic designing tool. So here you can use a prompt. You can put in a prompt to generate an image that you want. You can choose the size over here. So if you want portrait, you can just come here and choose portrait. Right, let me just take this one. And here you can upload image. You can take image from your drive, and also you can get an image from your Google Photos as well. And here too, you can upload an image if you want to. You can upload any image if you want to. So you can by let's generate using a prompt. So let me see what this tool can do. I just saw it this afternoon. I said no, let me just try this too and see how best it works. That's why I'm recording the video as well, so that if you're a fan of designing graphics and you have a business that you are managing, you want to be creating more graphics and arts that you want to be using to promote your business, you can use this tool. This look at what it gave us, and it's even giving us variations of the design. So you can choose what you want or it suits you. Let me see which one is clean. Uh, okay, okay, okay. I think I like the last one. I think I like this one. All right. So now you see, if you want to change anything on the words and the orders, anything you want, just select it. And so if I want to change this right now, just click on it and edit it. Stop wasting more money. Okay, let me just round it up at on the budget. So you see, so you can change everything. It's very simple. Look at it. Wow. So if you anything you want to change, you can just click on it. Maybe I want to change the price to maybe $7. You can just do that and click on it. All right. So in case you want to change this person, you can tell uh, change change. Oh, sorry, change the lady to 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 Emma. Something. Just try something. I'm just trying this too right now. So now we have three. Then you click on apply changes. So once you do that, it's going to apply the changes. Voila! Boom! Look at it. Run better ads on low budget. Learn the five. You understand? You can change the image from a lady to a male. You understand? Look at it. It's very nice, man. This tool is very flexible. You can use it like so. You just chat with prompt to change everything that you want. This is good. I like my design. I like my design. I really like it. So if you want to download it, just come here. You download it, you can copy it, you can print, you can save it as PDF, you can save it as you can do anything you want to do. You can just download it here. If you want to change the size, you can change the size from here. And if you want to share it to somebody too, you can just share it from this end and just share it from this end to someone anyone that you want to. You can just put the people's in there here, then you just change the registration. Okay. And so I'm going back and I'll come back and upload an image, an old image or a design that you want to change something. You want to you want to edit. You can just bring the image here, then edit it. So let's say I want to edit one design that I've already done. There is something, or you use AI to generate a design that you feel like the AI added something you don't want it to add. You can just come here. Like let me use this my banner. Okay, let's wait for it to load. You see here the AI is doing so many things. So let's wait for it to detect the objects and all that. All right, it's done. So maybe I don't want this. I don't want it. I can just say sorry. I can just delete all these things. You understand? Or click on here, say remove the wedding, weddings, wedding. Okay, then you add it. Okay, what else do I want to remove? What else do I want to remove? So maybe I just want to remove this one. Just click on apply. Let's wait for it to do its work. All right, voila! Look at it. It's gone. This is mind blowing. This is mind blowing. I'll prefer these two than Canva. I will really prefer these two than Canva. And I use it to do a lot of things. I can change the text. I can change the images. You can change the background. Okay, let me ask you to change the background. Uh, okay, change change the background. Anything you want to do, you can just chat it here, write it here, and click. It's just going to change everything for you. Uh, I enjoy using this too. Wow, wow, look at it, look at it. Who else is excited about this too? Who else is excited like me? Who else is excited like me? Even if you are running ads now, you have to use different creatives with your messaging and with your target audience for Meta how to get it to promote it. You understand? This all of them are nice, man. Look at it. Wow, 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 wow. See, so go and try this too, and come back and share your comments So if you want to add a new image or design, you just click new image. from this end. So go and try it and give and leave a comment in the comment section. Like this video, share it for me to and for that to encourage me to